I don't know about you, but I doubt that you like having a small C in the toilet brush ball. Toilet brushes are nasty, they drip if people forget to shake the brush, and sometimes toilet paper gets stuck on them. We live in the 21st century, we have been to the moon, sent civilians to space, have electric cars, and the pace of innovation is faster than ever. Why are we still stuck with this thing? So let me show you why I want to get rid of your old one in this quick video. So in no entrepreneurial spirit, I decided to do nothing about it. I had a problem, but I didn't want to fix it. It's a toilet brush, you hate it, but you need it. IKEA has some for less than $1, but some guys in Shark Tank here in Denmark had an idea to revolutionize the toilet brush. I'm glad I'm not the only one having felt that the brush was a problem that needed to be innovated on. The toilet brush guys from Shark Tank wanted to solve the problem of the old brush, which we throw out after a few months, even though some keep theirs for longer. The normal toilet brush is cheap plastic that bacteria can accumulate on. It creates a sea of toilet water that you then drag across the floor when the brush is needed. Not to mention when you're done scrubbing, you again have to try and avoid water getting all over the floor from the toilet back to the holder. And it gets filled with paper if someone uses it to scrub while there is paper in the bowl. Please don't do so. So what is the solution? So here it is. I actually went out and spent $18 on a toilet brush. Instead, I could have bought like 20 normal toilet brushes. But well, now I got the ultimate brush. And most importantly, no longer having to encounter the stranded toilet paper on a brush. Works just as good or even better than a normal brush. The silicone head prevents water from sticking onto it, so there is no longer a trail of water from the toilet brush to the toilet and vice versa. So are you starting to be impressed with my toilet brush? No? Then hear this. The handle is some special material that contains silver irons, which means that there is 99% less bacteria on the handle itself. So this review is not sponsored. I have enough money to go out and spend $18 on a toilet brush. Hard flex, I know. But I really just wanted to show you my toilet brush, as I think it's a really good conversation starter when you have new people over. Okay, maybe not. But if you want to be a bit more sanitary, I will put the name in the description. Subscribe to be healthy, and I will see you in the next video.